I am joining you today from the traditional territories of many nations, including the Mississaugas of the Credit, the Anishinaabe, the Chippewa, the Haudenosaunee, and the Wendat peoples, and is now home to many diverse First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples. I would also like to acknowledge that Toronto is covered by Treaty 13 with the Mississaugas of the Credit. Hello everyone, and welcome to Circle Time. My name is Christy, and my pronouns are she and her. And I'm so happy that you're joining me today. So let's get started. Everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. Everybody sit down on the floor. Not on the ceiling, not on the door. Everybody sit down on the floor. Thank you. I hear something coming. Do you hear it? Chaga, 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 chaga. Again. Chaga, 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 chaga. The music train is coming, how are you? Choo, choo! The music train is coming, how are you? Choo, choo! The music train is coming, the music train is coming, oh, the music train is coming, how are you? Choo, choo! And we say hello to babies, how are you? Choo, choo! And we say hello to 1-year-olds, how are you? Choo, choo! And we say hello to 2-year-olds, and we say hello to 3-year-olds, and we say hello to 4-year-olds, how are you? Choo, choo! And we say hello to big kids, how are you? Choo, choo! And we say hello to grown-ups, how are you? Choo, choo! And we say hello to friends, and we say hello to families, and we say hello to everyone. How are you? Choo, choo! Welcome, everyone. Today I'm so excited because we're going to do a very special baby circle. So if you are a big kid and you would like to find a teddy bear, you can press pause and I will wait for you. Are you ready? Great! You have your bears and you didn't miss anything. Today we have a very special request. Our friend Rihanna asked us to sing the wild animal crocodile song. I love that song too. Thank you for choosing that one, Rihanna. Are you ready? Let's get snapping. Snap, 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 snap. This is a crocodile, an orangutan, a sneaky snake, and an eagle fly, a rabbit, a beaver, a wild elephant. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yay! Thank you, Rihanna, for asking for that song. We loved to get your email and we love to sing your favorite song. So, today we are going to sing lots of great songs for babies and kids, all about nature. So our next song is about bees. some bees with your fingers. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bees curled up in my beehive. Can you try that too? Curl them up and cover them with your hive. Are you ready? Here is the beehive. But where are all the bees? They're hiding inside where nobody sees. Watch it. Watch it. Watch the hive. And out come the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love Tickle's songs. Let's try that one more time, and we'll see if someone else gets a tickle. Are you ready? Curl up your bees and put them in the hive. Here is the beehive. But where are all the bees? They're hiding inside where nobody sees. Watch them. Watch them. Watch the hive. And out come the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, my friends. Our next nature song is not a tickle, it's a hop. Boing, boing, boing. Here is my bunny. And she's been hopping all day, so she is very tired. Will you lie down with my bunny? We're all going to take a nap. So if you can, please find a soft spot on the floor and lie down for our sleeping bunny song. Good night, bunnies. Good night, bunnies. Good night, bunnies. It's time to go to sleep. Are you sleeping? Lie down. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop. And stop. Yay! Good job, bunnies. Did you hop? Let's try that one more time. And make sure you're lying down to sleep and you're jumping up to hop. Are you ready? Good night, bunnies. Good night, bunnies. Good night, bunnies. It's time to go to sleep. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up, bunnies. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop. And stop. Yay! Great job, bunnies! If you are a baby, please find a grown-up who loves you and they can help swing you in our next song. If you are a bigger kid, you can find your own baby, just like Humphrey, and you can swing your own baby for this song. So this this song is called Shoo Fly, and it's about loving someone. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. I belong to somebody. Now we're going to fly our babies very carefully so we can hold on tight to their chest and onto their feet, and we are going to fly them. If your baby is a real baby or a pretend Humphrey kind of a baby, you can be very careful and fly your baby if they like it. I fly, I fly, I fly like a bird in the sky. I fly, I fly, I fly like a bird in the sky. Oh, shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me, 'cause I belong to somebody. Now we're going to swim. So you can wiggle your baby's bottom while you hold on tightly and firmly to their bellies and chest, and we'll swim them. I swim, I swim, I swim like a fish in the sea. I swim, I swim, I swim like a fish in the sea. Oh, shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me, 'cause I belong to somebody. Great job, my friends. Boing, boing, boing. Oh no, look, it's our hoppy bullfrog. It must be time for a lap song. So, if you have a favorite lap, or if you have a baby you love to put on your lap, please climb onto your laps and let's get ready to bounce. Hoppy, hoppy bullfrog, hopping half asleep. Hoppy, hoppy bullfrog, please look before you leap. When you hop into the flower bed, I hear a great big crash. When you hop into the water hole, I see a giant splash. And you can splash your baby gently down through your knees if they like it a little bit exciting. So let's try that one more time. Hoppy, hoppy bullfrog, hopping half asleep. Hoppy, hoppy bullfrog, please look before you leap. When you hop into the flower bed, I hear a giant crash. When you hop into the water hole, I see a great big splash. Yay! Good job, Humphrey, and good job, friends. I'm so happy to be spending this time with you, and I would love to sing a song about how much I love you. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. When I first met you, I knew I loved you. Right from your head down to your toes. I love your fingers, I love your belly, and I love your tiny nose. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy peekaboo song that is really fun to play with babies. And for peekaboo, you can use your hands, you can use a favorite blanket, and especially this one is particularly nice to do before bed because the first part is exciting. The first part has peekaboo, and the second part is more relaxing. We're going to do just a tiny little baby massage. So you can have your baby in front of you, or you can have your Humphrey in front of you, whoever you have with you today. And we're going to do just a little bit of peekaboo and a little bit of massage. So are you ready? The sun is peeking out. Hello! The sun is peeking out. Hello! Peeking here, peeking there. The sun is peeking out. Hello! Oh, and here comes the rain. Can you feel the rain? The rain is falling down. Splash. The rain is falling down. Splash. Falling here, falling there. The rain is falling down. Splash. So, now that we're nice and relaxed from our massage, we can sing a nice, quiet bedtime song about some twinkling stars. Are you ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Let's try that one more time. Can you twinkle with me? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Peekaboo! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! So we have just time for our last two songs. A hug is not a hug until you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. A hug is not a hug until you give it away. It will come right back to you. A kiss is not a kiss until you give it away. Give it away. Give it away. A kiss is not a kiss until you give it away. It will come right back to you. Our circle is over. It's over, it's over. Our circle is over. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. Till next time.